So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have Samsung a smartphone and you want to hard reset your any kind of Samsung model like that, in this video I am going to show you how can you easily hard reset your any Samsung a smartphone at your home at free of cost. So you have to follow all these steps one by one into your Samsung a smartphone. After that you will be able to hard reset your any model Samsung a smartphone. So let's get started. First of all my friend, when you want to hard reset your Samsung smartphone, so you have to connect your data cable with your Samsung smartphone with the computer, and when you successfully connected, release volume down. Press volume up. Release volume down. Release power button. And done my friend. You can see here your hard reset page comes. So you have to follow all these steps one by one into your Samsung smartphone. After that you got this page. When you got this page, you have to go down with the help of volume buttons. Go down, volume down to go wipe data factory reset and press power button to confirm this, and after that you got this cancel or factory data reset option. So press volume down to go down factory data reset and press the power button to confirm, and after that you can see here your smartphone is wiping out. So after successful completed, you go your smartphone will redirecting to reboot system now. So press the power button to confirm here, and after that your smartphone will go restart. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.